how to set up a Ryobi Lawn Mower out of the box. Here we have our Ryobi cordless lawn mower in the box. This one comes with a string trimmer. However, if you just buy the cordless lawn mower, it'll be very similar, just without the string trimmer in the box. Let me just take it out of the box, and here it is out of the box, pretty much nearly set up. Yours may come with a battery, and if it does, that'll also be included in the box. So let's get on with setting it up. First things first, let's set up the handles. So all we need to do is pull the handles back. And if you see these little clips down here, you want to click these so they're straight like that on the handle. And a little pin goes into either one of these holes here, what you can see on the opposite side. But it's the same this side, just better to see it this side here. Once you've done this, you can fold the handle back, and all you need to do is tighten this wing nut here on both sides of the handle. At the back here, you lift this flap up and attach the grass box. See these two little hooks here? These hook over these two bits of plastic on the back of your Ryobi cordless lawnmower. So attach them like that, let go of the flap, and we're pretty much set up. All we need to do is lift this front flap and enter our battery. You can also adjust the height settings here on the side, and that's it. You're ready to mow your lawn. That's how easy it is to set up your Ryobi cordless lawnmower. Quick, easy, and no fuss. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.